نفس ذائقة الموت. Every single soul shall taste death. Allah didn't say you will go through death. Allah didn't say you will pass by death. Allah did not say you will receive death. He said you will taste death, because death has a taste. It is sweet for those who prepared for it, and it is sour for those who forgot it. Those who prepared for it automatically, when they decrease the ill and the evil that they may have been engaged in, and when they constantly repented to the Almighty on a daily basis, the day they will die, they would have already started the day in a way that they are used to, with the seeking of forgiveness of Allah, the praising of Allah, the recitation of the Quran. The angels would have written, this is the day upon which this person has died, and he started the day by the recitation of the Quran. Hence, please start every single day with blessed words. Start the day with praise of Allah. Start the day seeking forgiveness of Allah, because there will be a day when you will die, and guess what? If you made that a habit, it will be a blessed day. Allahumma ja'al khayra ayyamina awakhiraha. The Prophet ﷺ used to say, oh Allah, make the best of our days the last days. Make the best of my days the last days. Wa khayra a'malina khawatimaha. And make the best of my